It's Friday. You just got paid. New shoes, a nice dinner, maybe a movie, and suddenly the money's gone. Every payday feels great for a moment, until you realize you're broke again. So today, let's go step by step through the 8 smart things to do with your money the moment you get paid. Point 1. Know your financial baseline. Most people have no idea where their money goes. That's why over half of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. The first thing you must do is find your financial baseline. How much money you need to live each month. Open a simple Google sheet and write down all your monthly costs: rent, internet, groceries, bills, everything. Then remove what's not essential: Netflix, that extra gym membership, or random app subscriptions. After cutting the extras, what's left are your core expenses: rent, food, insurance, and utilities. Try to keep these under 50% of your income. If you're spending more, look for cheaper options: smaller apartment, cheaper phone plan, or fewer takeouts. Now you know exactly what you need to survive each month. Point 2. Build an emergency fund. Next, you need an emergency fund. Money saved just in case something goes wrong. Life is full of surprises. You could lose your job, your car could break down, or you might get sick. Most experts say to save at least 6 months of your expenses. If your basic monthly costs are $3,000, your goal is $18,000 in savings. This money is only for real emergencies, not vacations, not new gadgets, and definitely not pizza cravings. When bad things happen, you'll be safe because you already prepared for it. Point 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Once you've started saving, it's time to kill your debt, especially high-interest ones like credit cards. Debt is like a leak in your wallet. The longer you ignore it, the more money you lose. Let's say you owe $6,500 on a card with 19% interest and only pay the minimum each month. It could take you 8 years to pay it off, and you'll end up paying over $6,000 extra in interest. So, what should you do? Start with the avalanche method. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Or use the snowball method. Start with the smallest debt first to feel motivated. Either way, just keep paying until you're free. Point 4. Start investing early. Now that your debt is gone, it's time to make your money grow. Investing sounds complicated, but it's actually simple once you start. The secret is compound interest. Your money earns more money over time. If you invest a few $1,000s every year, your money could double every 10 years. For most people, start with your 401k if your job offers one, especially if they match your contributions. That's free money. After that, open a Roth IRA. It's great because you don't pay taxes on the money you earn inside it later. Then, if you have more to invest, use a regular brokerage account for stocks or index funds. Just remember, don't try to time the market. Invest a fixed amount every month, no matter if prices go up or down. Over time, this dollar cost averaging will give you the best results. Point 5. Value your time. Money is important, but time is more valuable. If you can make more money by working on something you love, hire people to do the small chores you hate. For example, if you make $90 in 3 hours, but cleaning your house costs $30, hire someone that you'll earn more money and more time for yourself. Write down tasks you hate doing and see if it's smarter to pay someone else. It's not laziness. It's smart money management. Point 6. Automate everything. Here's the final step. Automate your finances. Set it up once and let your money manage itself. Have your paycheck go straight into your checking account. Then, automatically move money into 2 other accounts. One for spending, like bills, food, and gas, and one for savings or investing. You can even set automatic payments for your credit cards, bills, and investments. This saves time, avoids late fees, and keeps you consistent. No more stress or "did I pay that bill?" moments. Final thought: even if you do everything right, you might still feel like you're not doing great financially. But often, you're doing much better than you think. You're just not tracking it. So, take control today. Know your baseline. Save for emergencies. Pay your debt. Invest smartly. And most importantly, automate it all so you can focus on living life, not just surviving.